Welcome back, dear subscribers and viewers. Landing time at Hamburg in our A220-300. We are incoming from Zurich. Flight time was 1 hour and 15 minutes. The commander will perform the landing today on runway 23. It's already been 6 years now that Swiss International is operating this amazing next generation airplane. Remember, we even were a launch customer. So in that time I've made hundreds of flights with the little bugger around entire Europe, and I am happy to finally bring you the landing at Hamburg International Airport. There is a slight wind on final from the right, but the captain is dedicated to a perfect, smooth and safe landing anyways. Let me know in the comment section if you would enjoy the full clip of the taxi to the gate, uploaded separately. Enjoy the approach and landing now.
Auto throttle. Approaching minimums. Minimums.
And welcome to Hamburg. If you guys would be interested in slow motion version of these 4K videos, also let me know in the comments below. As well, a big thank you to my supporters on the crowdfunding platform Patreon. It really helps this channel out, and the supporters get extra background info, videos and pictures from my weekly trips. If you haven't visited Hamburg yet, you should definitely consider doing so at some point. I always loved the old downtown, the Speicherstadt, how it's called there. That's where I always enjoyed having a tour around. The Reeperbahn, the Kiez, the Harbour, the Opera House. The city is a must visit on a travel through the north part of Europe. Swiss flies there daily from Zurich. Visit swiss.com for your next flight to Hamburg. See you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.